All right, so what we'll do is a quick unboxing of the knife I just got, and before the review video this even pops up, you'll see it in order, maybe. So we'll unbox this, and first impressions. Well, this isn't the easiest to do on video. I have better tools for this. I just wanted to use this because it's so pretty that you just look for any excuse you can. Very sharp. I don't even think I cut that. At that time. All right. See it as I see it. Here's the this is care package is what I call this. From Risner. My wife's gonna love that. She stole the cherry one. She said blue was her favorite. Well, look at there. This is hilarious. A Band-Aid. But is it? Because I mean, they are pretty sharp. That out of the way. RoseCraft. I keep the boxes just because. B.O.U. Nola Chucky Jack, B.O.U. Bourbon. Some bourbon, brother. Some Damon Darling reference. Damon Darling. Brother. Oh wow. It looks amazing and it's not even out of there yet. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that color. That is very beautiful. Wow, that backstop's even more uniform than the I don't know what that is quite. Maybe a little scratch, who knows? Maybe not. Could be. That's even more uniform than the stag there. And this is going to be more uniform, obviously, like the scales. You can see the difference. That's the difference. So if you are more uniform and you like a thinner carry, definitely the bone scales. But here's the problem. Because I've seen the bone jigged. I think it's more in between, possibly. Like maybe like this side over here. It's thicker than this. Smooth bone. That is a pretty color. I didn't even look at the pile side yet because of that. A little bit lighter in areas, but real pretty. Smooth pins. Super smooth. Shield. The rosebud shield. Again, the measurement's going to be 4 inches closed. 3-inch blade on their site. Again, I measured it from here to here on this one anyway. 3 1/16 from here to the tip of the blade. From the edge down here to the tip of the blade, it's like 3 1/8. Oh, see, it's already got my. I haven't even opened this yet. The pull, wow. This may be a little bit harder on the pull. That definitely is more audible sound. Think that one may be a little on the tight side, because I seen a review about case where if they're a little on the tight side, they'll have a slow action, so they'll snap open slower. It won't be as audible, the click. And I think that's what's going on with this jack, Nolichucky jack. That's definitely got a wow. How about the centering on this? Straight down the center. That is a pretty blade. How does it feel in hand? Yeah. Oh yeah. No, that's real nice. Like, you get a good, yeah, you can get a good grip on that if you were doing something heavy and wouldn't even feel it. Whereas this one, with the popcorning and the natural, that's not about the same. And it's getting about the same audible now. When I first got this one did not make that noise. This one's taking a little while to break in. I just got it last night though, but let's do this just in case. Keep the blade edges away from one another. So that's how they compare there. Same size. Definitely. Wow. Now, this one I thought was going to be the one I would want to carry around every day, but it's a good thing I wear bibs. So I may have to carry both of these. I have leather slips coming for both of these because to me it just makes more sense. Mostly to protect my phone, especially from this one. I mean, you can protect the bone a little bit on that by having a slip, but this one, I wouldn't be worried about it. I think it's just going to add character. Both of them's going to add character. They're meant to use. They're only $63.99, $80 a stag. But yeah, if you're not losing grip on this, doing normal tasks, this, if you had to do something hard, you're gonna feel it right here. Kind of see it. This one, you don't even feel. You're squeezing tight at all. It really doesn't feel like it would slide out at all. See the blade plate. Absolutely zero. Yeah, I would say they've got a new fan in me. This is my second one in 2 days. But this is my first RoseCraft ever. Look at that. The show side, RoseCraft. Pile side, D2 steel. You got the model number, BOU Bourbon. And I would imagine, yes, same model number. They're Nolichucky. So the Nolichucky is an RCT0. It looks like 1-1. STG Stag, BOU Bourbon. This is the Bourbon Bone, exclusive to C. Reisner. TPK blades. TPK. This probably ain't blades. Really, really pretty blade. Real smooth. This is even more smooth. Oh yeah, I can't even get a nail to get caught. What? This one I think I can. But this is also, yeah, this also kind of goes just at these corners, these edges. This one also is antler. So it's going to be more imperfect. As a matter of fact, I don't know if I'll be able to catch it. You see that little bit of light through that scale, that cover? You can see the light through it. So there's some, I mean, that's going to happen anywhere. You barely see the light through that spot. Same one down here. But that scale is the first thing I noticed. You can see it right through that back side too, that spring. But I noticed it right here. I don't think it's going to affect anything. You can let me know in the comments. You guys know more about this than I do. Now this, I haven't looked at, obviously. I opened it with you guys. See, you can see it through the springs. Roughly in the same spot. You can't see nothing through those scales. Just the springs here and there. But fit and finish is perfect. Especially with the naked eye. If you look, you can't see anything. I won't know what that is until I get a better look. Well, that's too close. Sorry, everybody. Now you're stuck with that view or something. I think it's just the tiniest scratch. Nothing huge. Plan on putting more of them on there myself. I got my fountain pen on myself somehow. But that could be very well something that comes right off. Don't get me